Carolina, including the following counties: Mecklenburg. When 15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 12:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. McMullen Creek has risen above flood stage. Currently, the river is likely producing 2 to 4 inches of flooding waters at its banks up and downstream of the Addison Drive culverts and flooding adjacent low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include South Charlotte, East Charlotte, and South Park Mall. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood when it is safe to do so. Please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service for rebuild Spartanburg by calling 1-800-667-0101 by posting on our Facebook page or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed.
I did not expect that. And instead of a weekly test, this is what I get.
Patchy fog. Breezy with highs in the lower 50s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers until midnight. Mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers until midnight. Then partly cloudy after midnight. Breezy with lows in the mid-30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Thursday, chance of rain 50%. Highs in the low. Thursday, sunny. West winds in the low 50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. West winds in the upper 20s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Highs in the upper 40s. Sunny. Friday night, highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the upper 20s. Clear. Saturday, lows in the upper 20s. Highs in the mid. Saturday, sunny. Saturday night, highs in the mid-50s until midnight. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight. Then becoming mostly cloudy. Sunday, lows in the mid-30s. 50% chance of rain. Mostly cloudy. Highs in the low. A chance of rain showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 50s.
All right, quick synopsis.
Sunday night,
Bearcat went off.
chance of showers.
Version 2
Lows
went
in the
off.
lower 40s.
519 activated.
Mostly cloudy.
Version
Chance of
1.
showers in the morning. Highs in the upper
HH
50s.
version 15 went off.
Chance of rain 50%. Monday night, mostly
CL100,
cloudy.
MD319, 259.
Tuesday, cloudy with a 50%
08
chance
version
of showers.
262 activated. Version 5 activated, 300.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia.
Alert works,
North Carolina,
261.
Western North Carolina, and up to
Redicus,
South Carolina. For today and tonight,
521.
widespread showers and a few thunderstorms are expected to move
Capello,
across the region today, accompanied
second
by heavy rain
521.
and gusty winds.
Alert works,
Storms will move out of the area by
EAR
late
10 instead of
afternoon and
the
early
WH.
evening.
991.
This is
HH
the NOAA
version
Radio, all hazards.
16.
WXL70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer
382.
Mountain in Renlo,
Zone
North
Guard
Carolina,
Plus.
operating on a
Zone
frequency
Guard
of
activated for
162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas.
Okay, shut up.
The current time is 12:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
WR120.
Flood warning in effect until 2:15 p.m.
WX150, 2020 version WR120. My new 262 activated. WX167 activated. 08500 RX. FR370. Version 3.
Additional details at 12:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms.
Surprisingly, this guy didn't activate. My ER210. I'm actually a little surprised. Antonio's version 3 activated. Going over here. R1650C activated. BC370 CRS activated. My second 261 activated, WR10. WX67. 74-200 over here. WR30 activated. 74-10 activated. Version 4 and version 5 activated.
267-8101 by posting on our Facebook page or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGS.
Which radio is it's that one? So basically every single radio activated for that flood warning, and they postponed the weekly test to tomorrow. And this was a shut up 519. I already hear you. But this alert absolutely came out of nowhere. I guess it's just since there was no weekly, why not just make up for it with a flood warning? And that's what we got. It was for my county as well. That's a pretty big one. My new 262 activated, which is very nice. But it wasn't quite a perfect activation because the ER210 didn't activate. And I have it on WX mode. And that surprisingly didn't go off. I don't really know why, but it did not. Antonio's V3 went off though. So 46 out of 47 of these radios went off. Bearcat went off as well. So surprisingly the version 2 actually went off. Look at that. First flood warning I've ever captured, not ever captured, but I've captured in a really long time. So it's been a long time since I've captured a flood warning on this station. But I did not expect a flood warning. Shoot. Well, that'll wrap this video up. I'll capture the weekly tomorrow. We'll see if there's another flood warning toned. Because this one expires basically it expires in 2 hours. Bit of a surprise. Well, that's about it.